Let's talk about the best UI UX course available in Indore. In this video, we will talk about UI UX designer salary demand in the market. What you can expect after becoming a UI UX designer. Myself Arushika, your career coach. Let's get started. So before moving ahead, I want to tell you कि अगर आप एक best UI UX design को search कर रहे हो, तो to make it easier, I have added a link to the best UI UX design course in the description. Do check it out. Now, what is UI UX design? UI stands for user interface and UX stands for user experience. UI is all about how a website or app looks, colors, typography, buttons, layouts, and overall visual design. UX is about how a website or app feels, how easy it is to use, how smooth the navigation is, and how satisfied the user feels while interacting with it. In simple words, a UI UX designer creates a digital products that are not only visually attractive but also easy and enjoyable to use. The demand for UI UX designer is very high. Every company today, whether it's a startup, an e-commerce brand, or a tech company, needs a strong online presence. Businesses are willing to offer high salaries to skilled designers who can improve user experience and increase conversions. If anyone is looking to build a career in this field, then he or she can expect 3 LPA to 6 LPA as a fresher level, 8 LPA to 18 LPA at mid-level experience, and 20 LPA to 40 plus LPA after 7 plus years of experience. With the right skills and tools like Figma, Adobe XD, wireframing, prototyping, user research, and design thinking, you can build a strong and creative career in this field. So as per my experience, it's a really good to go course if you're serious about entering the design and tech industry. Now I hope that you liked watching this video. Do like, comment and share, and don't forget to check out the link to the best UI UX design course available in your city. Thank you.